Yo, what up? It's your boy Papiblendzz back again with another level 3 video. Today we're gonna be touching base on 9 different products. Here we have the 9 products that we're gonna be talking about. We're gonna be talking about our level 3 hairspray and our free spray. We're also gonna be talking about our texturizing salt spray, our level 3 hair gel, our 2 styling powders, dust and light dust, and we're gonna be touching base on these 3 pucks. To kick it off, I'm gonna go with our most sold product, which is our styling powder dust. This is a product that I personally compare to being a pomade and a powder. Why? Because this is gonna give me the foundation when I'm looking to build that hair, that texture, and that volume. Applying this directly into the roots is gonna give me the foundation. Think about it. If you're building a house, you need a foundation. Otherwise, all that weight that you're putting on top of the land without foundation eventually is going to collapse. And this is gonna give me the foundation. When I apply that product into the hair will not collapse, providing me a strong hold and natural look. Let's move on to our next product. Moving on to our second product of choice, is gonna be our styling powder light dust. The styling powder light dust is gonna provide me what the name says, a light hold. A light hold, but also a natural look. I like using this product when I want to provide a softer movement, a natural look, and add a little bit more of texture into the hair. Applying this directly into the roots is also gonna provide me with a foundation that I'm looking for before applying any type of pomades, not allowing that pomade to collapse. Achieving a foundation with this product is very recommended. Texturizing salt spray, and to me is one of my favorite products. I like using this product to calm down the moisture or to enhance some curls and wavy hair. It comes in a spray bottle where you can simply spray into the hair, and using a diffuser to diffuse this product into the hair is gonna provide a natural and more softer look. So I recommend our texturizing salt spray to provide any natural look. Moving on to one of my favorite finishers, our free spray. Our free spray provides a long-lasting, fast-drying, and natural look. How I will go about applying this product will be from a distance, only using the mist of the product to still maintain the natural look, the natural hold, and the soft movement. But this will also hold your style the whole day. Second option, as a finisher, we also have our level 3 hairspray. The level 3 hairspray provides a natural look and a long-lasting formula to keep that style in place throughout your day. Applying this from a distance is also recommended for a more natural look and still continue to having movement throughout your day. Highly recommend this product right here for everyday use, either at the barbershop or at home. And one of my favorite products as a colorist and damaging hair very often, we have our level 3 pomade, which is a keratin infused. As you guys know, keratin helps rebuild the hair and rehydrate the hair. And here we have a perfect pomade which provides a natural look, a wet look, rehydrating the hair with its keratin infused formula. I highly recommend this product if you're a day-by-day product in the shop and you provide different looks throughout the day, or if you're at home and you just like styling your own hair, this product is the one you want to have in your bathroom. Now, if you're more of a natural and dry look, let me talk to you about my second most favorite product, which is our matte putty. Provides a medium hold, natural look, softer finish with its beeswax infused. This product, I highly recommend it when you're trying to achieve more natural and dry looks, but you're also at home and want to use this product. Also highly recommend this for a day-to-day style. It's our level 3 spider wax. I like this because it provides a lot of texture, a dry look, and I like applying this when I'm working with more coarse hair, as every other product also provides a natural look and a beautiful finish. So if you're a barber that goes day by day behind the chair, I want to recommend you one of our key products that is used for every hair type and any age, providing a beautiful style. And today we're talking about our level 3 hair gel. This product provides a wet look, but also a strong hold. If you're a person that goes all day outside working, this is the product that you want to apply on somebody's hair for them to maintain that style throughout the day and always looking lavish. It's your boy Papiblendzz, let's go.